Want to update your Etsy password for better security or peace of mind? Here's how to do it quickly through the Etsy website. Since password changes aren't available directly in the Etsy app, open a web browser on your device and go to Etsy.com. Once the homepage loads, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. From the small menu that appears, select Account Settings. You'll now be taken to a new page. In the sidebar menu, find and click on the option labeled Password. Here you'll see 3 fields. In the current password field, enter your existing password. In the new password field, create a strong new password. In the Confirm New Password field, type the same new password again. Etsy also provides helpful hints for creating a secure password. Make sure yours includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe. Once everything is filled in correctly, tap on Change Password. Just make sure to store your new password somewhere safe so you don't lose access. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next VIDE.